Hey guys, Erica with the K here. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be a longer version of a TikTok video because that's what I do on this channel now. So I hope you guys aren't getting tired of my makeup tutorials, but let's jump into this because there's a lot to say. So we're going to start off with the usual, some concealer on our lids. We're going to pat it down with the Beauty Blender, and then I skipped over this part in the actual intro, but I do use a transitional color on my lid first. That's just any color that would match your skin tone, just to kind of set down that concealer so that when you go over your lid, it doesn't like skip or anything like that. Then I'm going to go in with a purple pink color. It's like a purpley pink, and this is all from the Your Shadows, but use whatever you guys have because I think the Your Shadows is sold out, but it is in my Amazon affiliate link. I'm going to go over windshield wiper motions on my lid, and then I'm going to just pump some black right in the corner, which you guys know I always do, and then I always kind of blend that up with whatever color I had used on the lid. So in this case, it would be that purpley pink color. After that, I'm going to go in with the usual, well, first I'm going to do some purple eyeliner on the bottom on the lash line. That's from NYX. That is not cruelty free. I believe NYX claims that they are, but their parent company is not. So I'm just trying to get rid of these products because I had purchased them before I went cruelty free. Then we're going to go in with some eyeliner on top. This is a liquid. I like to follow the lash line and then wing it out and connect. We're going to do some e.l.f. tinted moisturizer in place of our foundation. You guys know that I always do this. At this point, I'm doing it because basically I just want to get rid of these products. But yeah, I put the concealer underneath my eyes as well. And I don't like wasting product, especially since I use my finger. So I just really like to spread it. Just want to show you guys like how much I actually am spreading it before I go in with the Beauty Blender. I actually forgot to do the setting powder under the eyes, but that's okay. It actually is weird to watch this. Then I'm going to do some bronzer, which is the e.l.f. one, the Kathleen Lights ColourPop Retrograde Blush. And I'm going to brush through my brows. I'm going to put on some fake lashes because I realized that I actually wanted them. That, of course, comes after the mascara. Usually I don't do my bottom mascara, but I think while doing this, I was like, no, I need some lashes on this look. Then I'm going to put on a color lipstick that does not go with this eye look. It's an orangey color. Nope, no thanks. So then I did another color over that. I hope you guys like this video. I hope these aren't boring, you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.